Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Granviji Vidyapith, standard 3rd. So, students, today we'll start unit number 7. In that unit, tally mark. What was the tally mark is that I'll explain here. So, in that, look at this title, match play by different kids. Now, यहाँ पे different kids के according match का play हुआ है. Here, two things are there, name and match played. Name is Viru, Sachin and Rekha. Name is Viru, Sachin and Rekha. Match played is there. Here is a horizontal and vertical cross mark is there. Okay, linings are there. So, here is a data is show in the teleform. ये जो हमें data show हुआ है वो कौन से form में हमें show हुआ है? Teleform में. Which form is that? Teleform. Now, one line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. After the four line, we have to cross it out here. What we have to do here? Cross it out here. That means, what is meaning of that? That means 5. That is number 5 is there. Okay. Let's count the matches play by each kids. Okay. So, in that 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total number is a 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Total number is a 15. Again, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Here we are count 4 only because cross mark is not there. So 5. 4 is there. Total number is 24. Total number is a 24. Total number is a 15. Total number is a 24. Then 5. 1 is a cross out and 1 is there. So 5 and 1. Total number is a 6. Total number is a 6. New, let's answer a few questions. Now, हमें टेली मार्क में आइडेंटिफिकेशन काउंट नंबर कैसे फाइंड करते वो हमें आ गया. ठीक है. नाउ आंसर द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. अभी ये टेली मार्क्स के अकॉर्डिंग हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस है उसके आंसर्स देने. ठीक है. हु प्लेड मोर मैचेस, वीरू और रेखा, एंड बाय हाउ मेनी, किससे सबसे ज्यादा मैचेस है वो प्ले किए और कितने. ठीक है. सो मोर मैचेस, compare, and by how many, subtract. Now compare is a Viru and Rekha. 15 Viru play 15 less than 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 is there. So Viru played more match. Viru played more match to Rekha. Viru played more match to Rekha. Viru played 9 more matches. How many matches she is play? 9 more matches. Okay. Now, how many matches were played by Sachin and Rekha in all? Sachin और रेखा ने कितनी मैचेस है वो प्ले की है. So in that match played by Sachin 24 and match played by Rekha 6. To find out in all we should added. So 24 plus 6, 30 is there. Sachin and Rekha played 13 matches in all. Sachin and Rekha ने कितने मैचेस यहाँ पे प्ले किए? 13. 13 is there. Next question. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now we'll start tally chart worksheet number 13. Use the tally chart and answer the each question given below. So in that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Next codes are here. Okay. So in that 15, this is a straight course. Here is some question. On which day were the most snakes recruits? Which day is that? So there is a Sunday. Because of the how many days are there? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 13 days is there. So first one answer is Sunday. Second one question. On which day were 24 snakes recruits? So in that 24 cats is there. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Which day is there? Tuesday is there. Which day is there? Tuesday. So here we have to write Tuesday. 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 Third one question. On how how many days were more than 20 snakes recused? So in that there is a 3 days. How many days is there? 20 snakes, 3 days is there. 1, 2 and 3. So what we have to write here? 3 days. Fourth one question, on how many days were less than 15 snakes recused? So in that 15, now look at this. 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Then 6 is there on Friday. 6 is there on Friday. So how many days are there? 2 days. So we have to write here 2 days. How many days are there? 2 days. Fifth one question, on which day were the fewest snakes recused? So in that we have to write Friday. What we have to write? Friday, because of there is only 6 days is there. Here we have to write Friday is there. Now last question, between Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday, on which day were the least snakes recused? So in that we have to write Sunday. What we have to write? Sunday. 6th one answer is Sunday. Look at this sums look at this information everyone in your notebook and write it down in your notebook workbook. Write this all the answers in your workbook. Okay everyone? I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second one sum. Next worksheet number 14, daily chart. Seema run a canteen and sell sandwich, upma, idli, dosa. The daily chart below show how many of each she sold on weekend. So in that, sandwich is there, food item and tally mark. Sandwich, how many are there? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. 16 is there. Sandwich is a 16. Uttampa, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 4, 24 is there. Idli is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 2, 22 is, 12 is there. Dosa, 5 plus 3, 8 is there. So in that, here is some questions. We have to write the answer. First one question is, how many plates of sandwich were sold? How many plates of sandwich were sold? So in that we have to write 16. What we have to write? How many sandwich are there? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, 16 is there. So we have to write Here we have to write worksheet number 14. Worksheet number 14. First one answer 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. So answer is 16. Answer is 16. Then question, which dish was solved the most? सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी डिश है वो सॉल्व हुई है? सो विच वन इज दैट इज अ उत्तम्पा. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 4 24 is there. So what we have to write here? 20. Second one answer is uttampa. Upma. What we have to write here? Upma. Then third one question. How many more plates of sandwich than idlis were sold? How many more plates were sandwich than idlis were sold? So in that, first of all we have to find the plates of sandwich. Plates of sandwich are 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 plus 1 16. 16. Then idli is how many are there? 12 is there. Okay, so we have to write here sandwich is equal to 16, and here we have to write idli is equal to 12. 6 minus 2, 4 is there, 1 minus 1, 0. So total number is, answer is 4. Answer is 4. So we have to write the answer. There are more 4 plates of sandwich were sold. Of sandwich sold. Fourth one question. Which dish was sold the least? सबसे कम कितना कौन सी डिश वो सॉल्व हुई है? विच वन इज दैट? डोसा. विच वन इज दैट? डोसा. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट हियर? वी हैव टू राइट हियर डोसा. फिफ्थ वन क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी डिशेस were sold in all? So we have to write here sandwich plus upma plus idli plus dosa, and in the last total. In the last total is there. Now after that we have to write 16 plus 24 plus 12 plus 08. So in that, in last answer is 6060. Now I'll give you 1 minute, students. You have to write first 3 questions and answers. After that last 2 answers you have to write. You have to look at this and complete your work. I hope so, students, your work is complete. Now look at this last 2 answers and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start reading pictorial with the scales that I'll show you here. So students, when we represent data as a picture, it's called the pictograph. What it's called? When we represent data as the picture, कोई भी डेटा को अगर हम पिक्चर्स में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Pictograph. What we said? Pictograph. So here I'll give you some information about the pictograph. Now look at this. Apple ad by Aditya. Here is a day is there and apples are there. There is a 3 days. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Apples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Monday. 2 apples on Tuesday and 4 apples on Wednesday. To read this pictograph, we have to count the number of apples in each row. हमें क्या count करना है? Number of apples in each row. So there are 5 apples on Monday, 2 apples on Tuesday and 4 apples on Wednesday. Then 1 apple is equal to 5 apple. 1 apple is equal to 5 apples are there. So the read this pictograph, we have to count the number of the apples in each row. 1 apple represent 5 apples. यहाँ पे जो एक 1 apple है वो कितने apples represent करता है? 5 apples are there. So in that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 25 is there, 5 plus 5, 10 is there, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20 is there. So on Monday, 25 apples, on Tuesday 10 apples and on Wednesday 20 apples. So that's show it that 1 apple is equal to 5 apples. Okay. Jay went to the forest, count the number of tree on his left side and right side. He showed the data in a pictograph. Pictograph is there. Since there are so many trees, he used a scale of 15. 1 tree, that means 15 trees are there. 1 tree, एप्पल में क्या था? 1 एप्पल था, हमें वहां पे 5 एप्पल्स काउंट कर रहे थे. लाइक दैट ओनली 1 ट्री इज इक्वल टू 15 trees are there. So in that number of tree in the forest, okay, the side and number of the trees are there. Left side and right side, 2 sides are there. Left side and right side. Left side there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 trees are there. So we'll count one tree as a 15 trees. And right side there is a 4 trees are there. So here also same thing. So we have to count. One scale is equal to 15 tree is there. So each one tree, this pictograph show 15 real trees seen in the forest. So in that 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. So 15 into 5, there is a 215 trees left side. There is a 215 tree is left side and 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. 4 times 15s are there. 15 into 4, 200 trees are there. So there is a 200 trees are left side. It's important to read the pictograph based on this scale given. Now हमें जो भी, now look at this. Find the number of ice cream sold on each day. Now number of the ice cream we have to solve on each day. So in that there is a 1 ice cream is equal to 15 ice cream is there. 1 ice cream is equal to 15 ice cream is there. Number of the ice cream sold in each day. So in that how many are there? So there are on Monday how many ice cream are there? 15 into 4 200, 15 into 2 100 and 15 into 6 300. Monday they are selling 200. On Tuesday they are selling ice cream 100. On Wednesday they are selling ice cream 300. So how many more ice cream were sold on Monday than Tuesday? 200 minus 100 is equal to 100 ice cream. 100 more ice cream he sold. What is the total number of the ice cream sold? 200 plus 100 plus 300 is equal to 600 ice cream sold. Okay students, now your homework is, look at this first, and your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 13 and 14 and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to send it this worksheet before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.